Hello everyone, I'm Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we're talking more about health tips and health benefits. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na bagong video. Today's topic, we're talking about man's urethra. We will call it non-specific urethritis or NSU. Ang NSU guys means any inflammation of a man's urethra. Ang urethra yung tubo that carries urine from the bladder to the outside. Dinadaanan ng ihi palabas sa ari ng kalalakihan. Ang urethritis naman ay usually caused by infection. A non-specific urethritis is one of the most common sexually transmitted infection sa mga kalalakihan. Talagang sinadya ko itong gawin ng mga videos na ito para awareness sa inyong lahat, lalo pag hindi kayo mag-iingat. Kung hindi magamot ang infection na ito, it can cause arthritis. Non-specific urethritis can be transmitted through vaginal sex, anal or oral sex. So, mahirap itong gamutin pabalik-balik hanggang hindi makuha ang tamang treatment. Ang symptoms appear a few weeks after an infection or several months. Non-specific urethritis has non-infectious cause. Symptoms occur after a couple of days. Signs and symptoms occur after 2 or 4 weeks after infection. May lumalabas na clear or white sa ari ng lalaki, a burning sensation or pain or urination, masakit umihi at urge to urinate frequently, namamaga at masakit sa bayag. Redness around butas ng ari ng lalaki yung dinadaanan sa ihi. Men with gonococcal or urethritis have a yellow discharges. Mayroon ding mga kaso na nagkaroon ang lalaki ng ganito hindi dahil sa infection, kundi irritation sa mga product na ginamit sa genital area. Na-damage ang urethra dahil sa vigorous sex or masturbation. At na-damage din ang urethra or daanan sa ihi dahil sa catheter. Kung may inflammation, pag na-irritate, infection or injury, magkaroon ng redness, swelling, pain, sometimes mainit ang sa pakiramdam ang affected area. And if you think you are infected this disease, you have to visit an expert like genito-urinary medicine clinic or sexual health clinic. Usually, ang gamot or treatment sa mga sakit na ito ay antibiotics. You should finish all the antibiotics prescribed by the doctors even the symptoms have disappeared. May iba dyan naramdaman, ititigil na nila. Kung hindi gumaling ang infection or symptoms na yung nararamdaman sa loob ng 2 weeks na gamutan, kailangan mo nang bumalik sa doktor at baka hindi kahiyang sa gamot. Ang complications sa hindi ginagamot ang infection na ito ay mag-spread ang infection sa prostate or sa testicles, maging infertility. It can spread the infection sa magiging sexual partner mo. Both men and women should see a doctor if they develop an unusual discharges from their private area. And if they start urinating more frequency or masakit umihi or a burning discomfort. So, kailangan nyo nang magpatingin ng doktor kung lahat ng itong symptoms na ito na nararamdaman nyo, malalaki or mababae. How to avoid this infection? Practice safe sex by using condoms, including oral and anal sex. You and your partner should have regular check-up. If you are sexually active, you should have at least yearly check-up. At least more often if you have unprotected sex with a new partner or if you notice any symptoms. The doctor prescribe you doxycycline or azithromycin. No vaginal, oral, and anal sex during this treatment. Finish your antibiotic even your symptoms is gone. Your partners have also been treated. It is normal you are feeling sick, vomiting, and diarrhea during the treatment of antibiotic. Hanggang dito na lang tayo guys. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa topic natin. At kung may gusto kayong itanong sa akin sa topic na ito, mag-comment lang below. Kung may nararamdaman kakaiba sa katawan, huwag mag-atubiling magpa-check up agad ng mga eksperto. Prevention is better than cure. At kung bago kayo dito guys sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. Hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa lahat ng subscribers at non-subscribers. Mag-subscribe na po kayo. Lalo na sa mga silent viewers, maraming salamat po sa inyo sa suportang ginawa nyo dito sa channel ko. Pagpalain po kayo lahat. May God bless us. Thank you for watching!